We have a sample ancient Egypt presentation, but we want to add images to it to really bring it to life. And so I want to show you today a demonstration of how to add images to a presentation in Google Slides. It's actually really simple. The hardest part is you finding your images. Once you have those, especially if you have them in your Google Drive, you go up to Insert and choose Image, and you have all these different options. You can just upload it from your computer. If you've got it somewhere on your computer, you can search the web for images. You can bring them in from Google Photos by the URL, from a camera you have. We have them on our drive, and so we're going to go there to find this image. We have a recent image we've added with these pyramids and the sun that we really like, so we're going to bring that in for our cover. We're going to tap on it and then hit Insert. It brings it in, and we're going to enlarge it to fill the screen here. And then so we can see it better, we are going to zoom out here a little bit and then make this image fill the screen. We'll bring it in here. We like those pyramids being at the center there. And then just to kind of clean things up, we are going to crop the image and drag this bar up. It'll give us a little notification when we reach the edge of the screen. We'll tap off of it. And now it is ready to go. We're going to copy that image and come down here and bring it to this title slide at the end. Oops. So we'll copy the image, paste the image, and then we'll tap on the image and we'll send it back. We want it to be in the order behind the text. So same with that first image, we'll right click on it, choose order, send to back. Now it's there. This one we're going to end up adding a color background to, so we won't change any images there. Same for these three slides. But for the Nile River, we definitely want to put an image in. So we'll choose Insert, Image from Drive. Tap on this image we have of the Nile River and click Insert. Again, it brings it in here. It's a little bit small. So we're going to increase the size to where it fills the screen. And then to focus on the river, we're going to go ahead and bring it up. And that bottom red line shows we're at the edge of the screen. And then we'll use our crop image tool up here to bring this top part down until we fill the screen. And now that's ready to go. And again, we'll right click on the image and we'll choose Order, Send to Back to put it behind that text. And now that's ready to go. And then one last slide, we want to put the pyramids on here, the Giza Pyramid Complex. So we're going to insert an image. Again, Insert Image from our drive. There's that image. We'll click Insert. Again, these are smaller, so we'll enlarge them to where they fill the screen. Then we will right-click, Order, and choose Send to Back. And this one we did a little bit more work with, and so we will enlarge that some more where it fits what we want, and that is good to go. And now, if we look through our slides, we have these three different images we've inserted, and that is how you add custom images into your Google Slides. Again, Insert, Image, and then choose whatever method you want to do to bring that image into your slide and make it your own.